Hello everyone, I am RFlores, and in this section I will present to you normalization and functional dependency. Normalization is a process that involves the elimination of inappropriate functional dependencies in a relation. It takes a relational schema through a series of tests to certify whether or not it belongs to a certain normal form. In general, normalization removes duplication and minimizes redundant chunks of data. The result is better organization and more effective use of physical space, among other factors. Before going into the details of normalization, some specifics should be covered briefly, including the very important concept of functional dependency. Functional dependency, denoted by X arrow Y, or also called as X determines Y, is a relationship between attributes. X is a determinant and Y is functionally dependent on X. Therefore, if we know X, we can determine Y. Here's an example of an unnormalized table called grade report. There are 4 functional dependencies that can be found here. First, the attribute student ID determines the attribute student name, campus address, and major. Second, the course ID attribute determines the course title, instructor name, and instructor location. Third, the student ID and course ID attributes determines the grade attribute. And last, the instructor name determines the instructor location. By knowing the functional dependencies, we will finally know how to properly apply normalization. We use functional dependencies to test relations to see if they are legal under a given set of functional dependencies. If a relation R is legal under a set F of functional dependencies, we say that R satisfies F. We also use functional dependencies to specify constraints on the set of legal relations. We say that F holds on R if all legal relations on R satisfies the set of functional dependencies F. Please also take note that a specific instance of a relation schema may satisfy a functional dependency even if the functional dependency does not hold on all legal instances. Here's the advantages of functional dependencies. Avoids data redundancy, where same data should not be repeated at multiple locations in the same database. It maintains the quality of data in database. It allows clearly defined meanings and constraints of databases. It helps in identifying bad designs. It expresses the facts about databases design. Here's the types of functional dependencies. Trivial functional dependency, non-trivial functional dependency, multi-valued dependency, and last, transitive dependency. The dependency of an attribute on a set of attributes is known as trivial functional dependency if the set of attributes include that attribute. If a functional dependency X arrow Y holds true where Y is not a subset of X, then this dependency is called non-trivial functional dependency. Multi-valued dependency occurs when there are more than one independent multi-valued attributes in a table. And last, a functional dependency is said to be transitive if it is indirectly formed by 2 functional dependencies. And that's all about normalization and functional dependency. For a more thorough discussion and explanation of each of the types of functional dependencies and how to properly normalize a schema, please proceed to the next videos. Again, this is RFlores signing off. Have a nice day.